they will let you know, right? So you will guess, okay?
Okay.
What's your nose? Yes, what's this?
No.
Nose, okay? Good job. Now touch your ears. You have two ears. One, two. How many ears? Two. All right. How many ears? Two. And what about the eyes? Two. How many eyes? Two. All right. And how many arms? Two. Hands? Two. And fingers. Let's talk about fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. It's a hand. And yes, fingers. How many fingers can you count with me? Yes, can you count with me? 1. Speak louder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody speak louder. 5 fingers. 5 fingers. Now show me your next hand and 5 fingers. Now both fingers are 10. 10 fingers. Alright, so today's lesson is very interesting. It's for the body, alright? So let's wrap for class, okay? Okay. So the screen, I can look at the tablet and you just look at the screen. Alright, let's zoom it. And we're talking about the hands. Can you see the hands? Yes. Can you see the hands? Yes. How many hands? 2 hands. Right and left. Alright, let me show you more. Yes. What's this? What's this? Ear. How many ears? 2. Right and left. 2 ears. Okay. How many ears? 2. And tell me about this. What's this? Feet. All right. How many feet? How many feet? 2. All right. So let's wrap up our lesson tonight. And we will have great fun. Okay? Stand up, everybody. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Everybody say, bunchacha, bunchacha. Bunchacha, bunchacha. Time is up. Iya, iya. We all are free. Beautiful. Have a seat, please. Sit down. Look back and say bye.